Hi friends, today I am giving a lecture on example problem on combinations. In the previous videos, we are already solving 3 example problems on combinations and 10 example problems on permutations. Now in this video, we are solving another example problem on combination. Okay. The question is, a certain question paper contains two parts, that is A and B, each containing 4 questions. How many different ways a student can answer 5 questions by selecting at least 2 questions from each part? Okay, so the given data in the given problem is, a certain question paper contains two parts, that is part A and part B. Now part A contains 4 questions and part B contains 4 questions. Now a student can answer 5 questions, okay, at least 2 questions from each part. Okay, so from part A, at least 2 questions can be taken by the student, and part B, from the part B, a student can take 2 questions at least from part B. But a student can answer how many number of questions? 5 questions. Okay, so here there are two cases are there. First one, case 1. Case 1, okay, a student can select 3 questions from part A and 2 questions from part B. Okay, so a student can select 3 questions from part A and 2 questions from part B. Total number of questions a student can answer is 5 questions. This is the 3 questions and this is the 2 questions. Total number of questions a student can answer is 5 questions. Okay, from part A 3 questions can be taken, from part B 2 questions can be taken. Okay, the condition is at least 2 questions that can be taken from each part. Okay, so at least 2 questions means he can take 2 questions, 3 questions, 4 questions and 5 questions. Okay, from part A he can take 3 questions, so 3 is greater than 2. Okay, from part B he can take 2 questions, 2 is greater than or equal to 2. So the given condition is satisfied. Okay, so now 3 questions from part A can be selected C of 4, 3 ways. Okay, each part contains how many number of questions? 4 questions. Okay, among the 4 questions, 3 questions can be selected how many number of ways? C of 4, 3 ways. Okay, next one. 2 questions from part B can be selected can be selected. How many number of ways? Part B contains how many number of questions? 4 questions. From the 4 questions, we are selecting how many number of questions? 2 questions. So that means C of 4 comma 2 ways. Among the 4 questions, okay, he can select 2 questions from part B. So how many number of ways? C of 4 comma 2 ways. Okay. So therefore, number of ways is equal to C of 4 comma 3 into C of 4 comma 2. Okay. So here C of 4 comma 3 means 4 factorial by 3 factorial into 4 minus 3 factorial. Okay. Into here 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 4 minus 2 factorial. NCR, n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. So here I am writing 4 into 3 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 1 factorial. Okay. So here this is 4 into 3 into 2 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 2 factorial. Okay. So now here 3 factorial cancel. So 4 by 1 is nothing but 4. 4 by 1 factorial is nothing but 4. Here 2 factorial, here 2 factorial cancel. Here 2 factorial is nothing but 2. 2 into 2, that is equal to 6. So 4 into 6, that is equal to 24 ways. So by using case 1, a student can select 3 questions from part A and 2 questions from part B. Okay, so then case 2. Case 2 is nothing but reverse. A student can select 2 questions from part A and 3 questions from part B. So a student can select 2 questions from part A and 3 questions from part B. Okay, so total number of questions is 5 questions. Part A 2 questions, part B 3 questions. 3 plus 2, that is 5 questions. Okay, so from the each part at least 2 questions can be taken. Here 2 greater than or equal to 2. Yes, it is true. 3 greater than or equal to 2. At least 2 means greater than or equal to 2. So here 3 is there. 3 is greater than or equal to. So condition is true. Now 2 questions are selected from part A in how many number of ways? Part A contains 4 questions. From the 4 questions, so I am taking 2 questions. So C of 4 comma 2 ways. Okay. Next one. So 3 questions are selected from part B in how many number of ways? In part B contains 4 questions. Among the 4 questions, I am taking 3 questions. So C of 4 comma 3 ways. Okay. So therefore number of ways is equal to, so C of 4 comma 2 into C of 4 comma 3. Same, reverse. So answer is same. So 24 ways. Okay. From case 1, 24 ways is there. From case 2, 24 ways is there. So total number of ways. Okay. So here S2, therefore total number of ways, comma, a student can answer 5 questions by selecting at least 2 questions from each part is equal to, case 1 ways is 24 and case 2 ways is 24, that is total number of ways is 48 ways. Okay, 48 ways are there. A student can answer 5 questions by selecting 2 questions from each part. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please share this video to your friends and classmates. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel name. So Divvela Srinivasa Rao.